Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog, but it's going to be basically me getting my life together. Well, kind of. I wanted to start on my laundry because my laundry hamper is piling up like it's never piled up before. I wanted to clean down here a little bit in my room. I just took a shower, so I already cleaned myself. One step already there. I also want to go through my clothes that I brought home from college and go through it and just get rid of the things that I don't wear anymore. I have a lot of clothes in my old closet that's now in my brother's room that I need to kind of sort through. Although he is quarantining right now. My dad and my brother are both sick. We don't know if it's COVID. They both got tested for it. I do want to kind of go through at least the clothes that I have here in this room, and then maybe I'll make like a separate video going through the clothes that I have in the closet. But yeah, that's what this video is going to be. I guess I'll just start cleaning. Also, don't make fun of the fact that my shirt is like super wrinkly. I just don't want to go into my parents' room or my brother's room to get the iron. So I just thought of something. My brother hasn't slept on my bed a couple nights ago, and I've been sleeping in the same sheets, and now he's sick. So maybe I should clean the sheets. It's so dark. This is me right now. Just wanted to show you my fit, because this is the fit. It could be cuter if it was iron, but it's not. So, hey Kian, how you feeling?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I feel a little better.
That's good. What are you doing?
I'm just working, watching TV.
Okay, just get better.
Okay.
I miss you.
Alright.
Bye! So I'm currently in my laundry room and I wanted to show you guys my laundry hamper because it's so bad. I'm a little embarrassed, but there's a reason to it. So this washing machine, sometimes there's dirt on the bottom, and I don't know if I have to like clean the washing machine or if it's my dad's clothes, because my dad works, he installs ACs. Sometimes he comes home like really muddy, but I don't think it's that, because sometimes he doesn't wash his clothes and I wash my clothes, and my clothes have like mud stains and dirt on them. So if anyone knows what that means, it could be because like our laundry machine is like downstairs, like half in a basement, so all the dirt, like the water rises up to get out of the washing machine and then it goes back down because gravity. So I've been avoiding washing my laundry because I don't want to deal with it, but it's gotten to a point where I have to deal with it now. So this is what my laundry hamper looks like. Do you see her? She's at least up to like my hips, pretty much, like almost to my hips. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm like crouched. I am going to separate them into like colors and darks and lights and all that jazz. You know, you've ever done laundry, you know what I'm talking about. Also, we randomly have like this green rug here in our laundry room, and every single time I see it, I feel like I'm outside, or like it reminds me of one of those like doggy pee areas that people have in their apartments sometimes. Also, check out the kicks. What? Stop. So I've organized all of my clothes. So this is like my grays and my blacks. This is like my pinks and purples. These are my blues, my whites, and then like my darker oranges and tan. I clearly have a lot of black and gray. I think this is a wake-up call that I need a little bit more color in my wardrobe. These are the piles of laundry that I'm going to put in the washing machine. The smaller ones I think I might combine, and I don't know what to do about this. I guess I could wash them together, but those are whites and that's color, so I don't really know. so it looks a little bit better. I don't look so raggedy. Look how cute I am in my little Japanese dress. And my hair, wow.